Hari Om children. Today in English language class, let us learn the 12th chapter, that is my, your, his. When do we use these type of words? The words my, your, his, her, its, their and your tell us to whom something belongs. They show belonging. They are used in the place of naming words that show belonging. For example, a book. If a book belongs to me, then I use it is my book. Book is a naming word. So, if it belongs to me, then I say it is my book. If that book belongs to someone else, then I say it is your book. Okay. Now, let us learn these words with few examples. My. When do we use my? If these belong to oneself, we use my. If these things belong to me, then I use it as my parrot, my pencil, my friend, my bicycle, my books. So when do we use my? If these belongs to oneself, we use my. My parrot, my pencil, my friend, my bicycle, my books. If these belong to others, we use your. Your parrot, your pencil, your friend, your bicycle, your books. Understood, children? If it belongs to oneself, then we use my. My parrot, my pencil, my friend, my bicycle, my books. If these belongs to others, we use it as your parrot, your pencil, your friend, your bicycle, your books. There are few more words. His. When do we use his? If the belongings belongs to some boy, then we use his. His pencil, his book, his bag, his house. When do we use her? Her is used if the things belong to a girl or a woman. Her bag, her book, her pen, her desk. When do we use its? It is used to a animal or a thing, and its is used when the things belong to animals or things. For example, it is an elephant. Its tail is very small. So, whose tail is very small? The tail belongs to elephant. So, when it is an animal or a thing, then we use the word its. Another example, it is a dog. Its tail is very long. So, whose tail is very long? It is dog's tail. The tail belongs to dog. So, when the things belongs to an animal or a thing, we use the word its. Let us take an example of thing. This is a chair. Its leg is broken. Whose leg is broken? It is chair's leg is broken. So chair is a thing. So we use the word its leg is broken. Okay. So if it is an animal, if the things belong to an animal or a thing, we use its. Next, there. When do we use there? Their word is used when a thing belongs to many people. Okay, their toys, their book, it's their table. Okay, if the things belong to many people, then we use the word their. When do we use our? Our is used when the things belong to many people including oneself. Okay, our is used when the things belong to many people including oneself. Our class. So even the speaker is also included in that group. Our class. So even I am also included in the class. Our table, our school. Understood, children? So there is used for many people and our is used to a group of people including oneself. Okay, now let us start with the A main in page number 44. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A giraffe is a wild animal. Dash neck is very long. His, its. So, giraffe is an animal. So, we use the word it. If it is an animal, we use the word its. So, a giraffe is a wild animal. Its neck is very long. Write the answer, children. Write it neatly. Its neck is very long. Second one. A monkey lives on trees. Dash favorite food is banana. Here we are using the word monkey. Monkey is an animal. So for animal, which word do we use? Its. So its favorite food is banana. A monkey lives on trees. Its favorite food is banana. Write neatly, children. Okay, next. Page number 45. Third question. Dash shoes are new. I bought them yesterday. So I means it belongs to me. So if it belongs to me, what word do we use? Your or my? My. Okay. My shoes are new. I bought them yesterday. So the answer is my. My shoes are new. Fourth one. He fell into a ditch. Dash shirt got dirty. He is a boy. So for boy, which word do we use? Do we use his or her? We use his. Okay, so he fell into a ditch. His shirt got dirty. Fifth one. Lisa is my friend. Dash mother is a doctor. Whose mother it is? Lisa. So Lisa is a girl. So if it is a girl, which word do we use? Her or its? We use the word her. Okay. So Lisa is my friend. Her mother is a doctor. Sixth one. Mala and Meeta are hungry. Dash food is on the table. Here we are talking about two people, that is Mala and Meeta. If it is one person, we use his or her. If there are more than one, we use their. Okay, so Mala and Meeta are hungry. Their food is on the table. Molly's drawing book got wet. Dash drawings are spoiled. So Molly is a girl. So if it is a girl, we use the word her. So Molly's drawing book got wet. Her drawings are spoiled. Eighth one. Let us go. Dash bus is here. Its bus, our bus. Here we are using us. Us means we are also included. So it is our bus. Let us go. Our bus is here. Write neatly, children. Okay, next. Be mean. Fill in the blanks using my, your, his, her, their, our, its. I lost my whistle. Do you have dash whistle? I means oneself. So here we use the word my whistle. I lost my whistle. Do you have my whistle? Second one. Whose dress is this? This dress belongs to Asta. It is dash dress. Asta is a girl. So if it is a girl, if the dress belongs to a girl, we use the word her. So whose dress is this? This dress belongs to Asta. It is her dress. Third one. This is my parrot. Dash beak is large and its wings are colorful. So the beak belongs to parrot. If it is a parrot, we use the word its. If it is animals, birds or things, we use the word its. So this is my parrot. Its beak is large and its wings are colorful. Fourth one. We play in this park. We should take care of dash park. So if we are playing in the park, it is our park. So we should take care of our park. Fifth one. Sana and Aman live in a big house. Dash house is on Moray Street. So here there are two people, Sana and Aman. So if there are more than one person, we use the word their. So their house is on Moray Street. Sixth one. That is Ravi's cat. What is dash cat doing in our garden? Here we are talking about cat, but for whom does it belong to? Ravi. So Ravi is a boy. So we use the word his for a boy. So that is Ravi's cat. What is his cat doing in our garden? Seventh one. Don't keep anything on the table. Dash legs are broken. So we are speaking about table. Table is a thing. So if it is a thing, we use the word its. So don't keep anything on the table. Its legs are broken. Have you completed it, children? Okay, quickly we shall revise what we have learnt in this chapter. So the words my, your, his, her, its, their and our tell us to whom something belongs. They show something. They are used in the place of naming words that show belonging. For example, my book, my pencil, his book, his pencil. Okay. So if these belongs to oneself, we use my. My parrot, my pencil, my friend, my bicycle, my book. If the things belong to others, we use your. Your parrot, your pencil, your friend, your bicycle, your books. His is used when the things belong to a man or a boy. If a book belongs to a boy, we use his book. His table, his dress. Her. Her is used when the things belong to a woman or a girl. Her bag, her dress, her ball. Its. Its is used when the things belong to an animal or a thing. If the beak belongs to a parrot, parrot's beak. If the beak belongs to a parrot, we use the word its. Its beak. Whose beak is it? It is parrot's. So we use the word its beak. Table's leg. So whose leg it is? Table. Table is a thing. So we use the word its leg. Next, there. There is used when the things belong to more than one person. Okay. So if there are many people, then we use the word their books, their table, their classroom. Next, our. Our is used when it belongs to many people including oneself. Our classroom. So even I am included in the classroom. Our table. So here it belongs to many people along with oneself. Our book. Understood, children? So there is used when it belongs to more than one person, and our is used when it belongs to oneself and others. So understood all these, children? When we use my, your, his, her, its, their and our. Okay, children. Hari Om and thank you.